Like cette vidéo ou cette araignée va ramper dans ta bouche cette nuit. Donc n'oubliez pas qu'un jour, un grand ninja a dit « Ne pas s'abonner à Slashcoon, c'est comme ne pas avoir mangé une pizza. Donc si vous aussi vous voulez devenir un ninja, n'oubliez pas de liker et de vous abonner. » Bienvenue pour une nouvelle vidéo sur Slashcoon. Dans cette vidéo, nous verrons des enfants qui achètent des V-Bucks avec la carte de leur grand frère. Donc regardez bien toute la vidéo, comme ça vous ne raterez rien. Mais maintenant, commençons avec la vidéo. D'ailleurs, je vous conseille d'aller voir G2A si vous voulez des jeux moins chers. Numéro 1. On a dans ce premier clip FaceRug, qui a acheté sur le compte Fortnite de son frère avec la carte bancaire de sa mère, plus de 400 $ de V-Bucks. Sauf que sa mère l'a cramé et il va se faire détruire. Regardez ça.
Ah! Doing poorly? I'm playing.
Mila, you tweet the charge $400 for the game?
No,
But Mila, I found $400.
Where?
Me
I don't-
Fortnite. What's the Fortnite?
I don't know
Is the
what.
game Fortnite?
Yeah, it's a game.
Okay, did you charge anything from my credit card?
No,
$400 for Fortnite. Me Fortnite.
It's a game.
Okay, ما يمكن كنت تعال بدم $400. ما
I didn't
أقول
expect
$400. What did you buy? ما بدك على ابوك.
No.
مو
No, what did I?
all day, all night playing game.
Come
يا
on,
بابا
come on.
انت بدك
Wait,
تعمل
no. Rajat.
$400 for the skin Mila. What that mean?
It's
Huh?
a-
What are you gonna do with that?
It's a skin like.
Huh? You gonna pass your
So you're in the
classes? You gonna
game.
pass? Brian, $400
Okay,
for
hold
what?
on.
Mahazi out with this. What are you gonna do with
I don't know. Hold on. Since I like Fortnite too, Junior loves Fortnite. You don't know what Fortnite is. He bought it with your credit card, I guess. I didn't know.
Why are you gonna pay him $400?
I'm gonna pay you 400 because it's from your credit card.
Numéro 2. Dans ce clip, nous avons un gamin qui s'est fait surprendre en train de dépenser 500 $ de V-Bucks par sa mère sur la PS4 pour s'acheter des skins Fortnite. Évidemment, c'est beaucoup d'argent et sa mère n'était pas vraiment contente. Dans le clip, vous verrez qu'elle rentre dans la chambre et qu'elle va revenir avec une paire de ciseaux pour découper le micro-casque de son fils, qui voulait s'acheter des skins Fortnite. Le clip est très drôle, je vous laisse regarder par vous-même.
Let's put you in the homeless centre, shall we?
Mum.
Get off that stupid computer.
Mum.
It's going. That computer is going now. I swear I'm going to kill you. I swear I'm going to kill you. Come on, start filling them up. Come on, start filling them up. All this computer equipment is going. This is going. That's going. All of it's going.
Mum, you can't just knock my camera over that.
You are going.
But Mum, look at it.
Get packing. I don't care about the sleep. Get packing.
Look.
Get packing your stuff
Look
up.
how cool that
you
looks.
laugh at me one more time. Get
no,
off
no,
the control.
no, uno momento.
Don't push it. Pack all your stuff up now. This is absolutely ridiculous.
99 worth of V-Bucks. Yeah?
Don't tell me you've done it again. Please do not tell me you have spent money on my card again. I swear. Don't even laugh. Don't even laugh at me. Have you done that?
I might have done, and it might have done been an accident. I don't.
But it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money.
I spent like 750.
I can't. You're going to pack all your stuff up because actually, right now we've got not enough.
Numéro 3. Dans ce second clip, nous avons ce garçon qui essaie d'acheter des V-Bucks pour avoir un nouveau skin. Il a donc volé la carte bancaire de son père pour en acheter, mais son père a reçu une notification sur son téléphone qui l'a prévenu de son achat, sur le PlayStation Store, qu'il n'a évidemment pas fait lui-même. Il a donc couru à la chambre de son fils pour comprendre ce qui s'est passé et commence à lui demander d'arrêter de jouer. Mais il ne veut vraiment pas s'arrêter. Le clip est à mourir de rire, on dirait vraiment un sketch. Je ne sais pas si c'est du fake, mais si ça l'est, le père joue vraiment bien. Il est excellent. Regardez.
I got a notification on my phone that somebody used my card to buy Fortnite. Somebody used my card.
One sec, I'm about to lose the match.
I'm telling you, somebody used this thing to buy Fortnite. You're telling me £100 in my credit card.
Daddy.
No, I'm laughing.
He was Ikena, he was
It's
Ikena.
not my card.
No, it was Ikena.
No.
That's not, it's
No,
not
this is my card, Namdi. Why did you take my card?
No.
You cannot use my. Please stop it now. Please stop it now. I'm gonna go mad. You can't use my card to buy this thing on the. Yeah, £100. Are you joking? Are you joking? What is your own card?
No, I don't know
All
what.
the money I'm making in YouTube, oh yeah, you gonna return the money to me just now. No. I don't wanna hear.
Daddy, it was Ikena, it was not me. Daddy, I wanted schemes.
Oh no, you can't.
I wanted Fortnite schemes.
You see, you cannot return the money to me just now. Put my money back inside of my card or now. I'm telling you now.
Daddy,
I'm telling you.
Daddy, can you not just do it from the goodness of your heart?
No.
It's a present, it's a present.
For what?
It's the only birthday present.
Numéro 4. Dans ce clip, nous verrons le youtubeur David Vlas qui filme son frère en train de jouer à Fortnite. Mais il lui dit aussi qu'il a besoin d'acheter les nouveaux skins de la boutique, et il va donc utiliser la carte bancaire de son frère pour s'acheter quelques skins. Sauf qu'il ne va pas s'arrêter à quelques skins, et va finir par acheter toute la boutique.
V-Bucks, they would give me fake money and I can't buy nothing with it. Dude, I want this outfit right here, you see?
It's 2,000 V-Bucks and you only have 450. How are you going to get
I
it?
don't know, but like, I want to go take this credit card and then maybe buy something.
Well, I mean, I'm not going to tell you to do it, but I guess since you always help him, we can go sneak in and try to get it. Tim, do it. Your brother's going to get mad.
I don't care. Keep helping him with the videos. I deserve something.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean you should steal from him. I mean, okay, whatever, man. It's your... Did you actually just do it?
Yeah.
Dude, are you seriously?
Look, I just bought it. My guy's so sick now.
Yeah, but
Look at
use
him.
your brother's credit card. It's gonna be 800. Dude,
That's nothing. Dude, I'm out of V-Bucks.
you just spent $25 that quickly
I'm gonna buy more.
on his card? He's gonna flip out.
Full send.
Alright, dude, you do you. I'm gonna leave. This isn't my problem. I'm gonna go home.
À ce moment-là du clip, David Vlas a reçu 5 emails qui disaient qu'il a été débité de plusieurs centaines d'euros pour Epic Games. Au final, c'est 500 euros qui ont été pris de son compte. C'est juste énorme.
It says literally Tim Vlasenko.
It's not my name.
What? No.
Numéro 5. Le dernier de la liste est un enfant qui utilise la carte bancaire de sa mère pour racheter des V-Bucks sans qu'elle le sache. Donc dans ce clip, le gamin veut acheter le skin corbeau et le pass de combat car il ne l'a pas. Il dit que sa mère l'a autorisé à prendre 50 euros sur Roblox une fois, et donc il pense qu'il peut reprendre 50 euros sur Fortnite une seconde fois. Ce qui n'a aucun sens, et bien entendu, au final sa mère arrive dans sa chambre et l'engueule. Ce qui est assez drôle à voir. Je vous laisse regarder le clip.
I didn't have that before. I want to get the Raven skin, the glider, and the battle pass. So what I'm gonna do, so I make sure I don't get in trouble. I'm going to buy the $25 option twice because my mom, before she let me use her credit card to buy Robux when I used to play Roblox, she let me spend $50. So guys, I just got the V-Bucks. I just got 2,800 V-Bucks with that. So we're gonna go ahead and purchase. Hey, what are we gonna get? I just got all these V-Bucks right now. What do I be a little quiet? My mom's right near me, but whatever. We got. Look at the Raven. Come on, guys. Oh. No, Mom. No, I haven't.
Weren't you just in here with... What do you got?
I don't.
Oh my God, I'm gonna kill you!
Wait, Mom, it's not like you think.